At ParkUSA, a Northwest pipe company, laborers play an important role in supporting the production of concrete and steel products at our manufacturing plants. It's a tough job, but it's also a rewarding one, developing skills that allow you to become a tradesman, just like that of an electrician or plumber. A day in the life of a laborer involves reading drawings and following work instructions, cleaning and preparing concrete forms, cutting and tying rebar, pouring and finishing concrete surfaces, lifting, carrying, and placing heavy materials, operating overhead cranes, using hand tools and other equipment, and working in a team environment, all while following safety rules including wearing proper safety gear and reporting any unsafe conditions to supervisors. Work is normally performed under supervision until duties become more routine. As laborers progress in their role, they may be assigned more difficult jobs with greater responsibilities. Many of our supervisors began their careers as laborers and advanced into new roles as they gained skills and experience. Northwest Pipe Company is an equal opportunity employer, and we're committed to promoting and valuing diversity and inclusion as we continue to grow our team. The work we do is hard but satisfying and comes with excellent benefits, long-term security, and opportunities to grow. Ready to get to work?